So when should you cancel your Medicare supplement? If you're thinking about canceling your supplement plan, whether it's to switch to other companies or adjust your coverage, let's go over the steps to handle it in the right way. The most important thing to know is, and it may seem obvious, but the most important thing is don't ever cancel your current plan until your new policy is active. So you don't want a gap in coverage. Always wait for your new policy to be approved. If you're working with me, then we'll see that message come across sometimes right away when we apply. Other times, if it has to go through underwriting, might be a little bit. But we want to make sure you get that confirmation before you go ahead and cancel. If we put it in a few steps, it's pretty simple. Number one, apply for your new Medicare supplement plan. And if there's underwriting, then you're going to need to be approved first. Wait for your new plan to officially start. And this is where I would work with you to coordinate the start and end dates so that you're not double paying and double covered or undercovered or underpaying, right? You want to have a nice smooth transition so everything ends. Let's just say the end of the year would be 12/31. Your old policy ends and the new one begins on January 1st. If I helped you with your old policy, I wrote that other one and I'm helping you with the new one, then I can call that company and ask them to end it because I'm the agent on that policy. But if you got your policy somewhere else or another agent wrote that policy, boo, then you'll need to call that company yourself because I can't simply call up and say, hey, would you cancel Bob's policy? They're going to say, are you the agent? No. Then you can't cancel it. Oh, okay. And that makes sense because you don't want some crackpot agent just calling up out of the blue and without any permission being able to cancel your current policy, right? So it's there really to protect you. Before you make a switch, think about your health, right? Underwriting, make sure you're going to qualify. And I normally will run people through some questions, whether verbally or I'll just email the list of health questions I'll just pick a company because they're similar. And I'll say, look, can you successfully answer these? If so, then we will actually go to the application and apply. But then we have to make sure, again, you're approved. And once you're approved, that's when we would coordinate the ending of the other policy. And it's playing with some dates and understanding who is able to do what. But no, I don't have any magic wand where I can wave it and cancel old policies for you unless I was the writing agent. And that's pretty standard across the board. So hopefully this helps clarify some things. Anytime you need help, hit the subscribe button here and just give me a buzz and book an appointment with me and I'll help you out.